セルフレジを楽しもう。
How to use self-checkout in Japan. Place your basket and hang your bag. Select your language on screen. The audio and screen language will then change. Select your bag type to begin. Scan the product's barcode using the scanner. Place the product in the bag. It may be easier to use the hand scanner for larger products. Touch payment to proceed to payment. Select a payment method. When paying by credit card, tap or insert your card into the card reader. Take your receipt. When paying in cash, insert bills and coins into the area illuminated in blue. Take your change and receipt. Try using self-checkout in Japan.